Welcome, Cleves, to your weekly music assembly. We're going to be doing two things today. First of all, we are going to be learning a Irish folk song called Bog Down in the Valley with lots of exciting actions. And then I'm going to get you doing a beatbox challenge. Who thinks they can beatbox? We'll find out. Hello everyone, I've got my glamorous guest here, Jess, who's going to teach us a special song today. It's called Bog Down in the Valley. And Jess learnt this when she was a child, and it's stayed with her ever since. She's tried to teach it to me on many occasions, and it's just I've completely failed. But I'm hoping today's video will help you to learn it, but also it will teach it to me as well. Jess, over to you. Step-by-step guide on Bog Down in the Valley.
Okay, it's got actions, so we're going to learn it quite slowly, and then at the end we'll do a really fast verse all the way through. Okay?
Cool.
Right. It starts with the chorus.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh. And in that bog there was a tree, a rare tree, a rattling tree, tree in the bog and a bog down in the valley, oh. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh. And on that tree there was a branch, a rare branch, a rattling branch, branch on the tree, and the tree in the bog, and a bog down in the valley, oh. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh. And on that branch there was a twig, a rare twig, a rattling twig, twig on the branch, and the branch in the tree, and the tree in a bog, and a bog down in the valley, oh. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh. And on that twig there was a leaf, a rare leaf, a rattling leaf, leaf on the twig, and the twig on the branch, and the branch in the tree, and the tree in a bog, and a bog down in the valley, oh. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh. And on that leaf there was a nest, a rare nest, a rattling nest, nest on the leaf, and the leaf on the twig, and the twig on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in a bog, and a bog down in the valley, oh. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh. And on that nest there was an egg, a rare egg, a rattling. Yours doesn't look much like an egg there. Make it look a bit more like
Okay, an egg.
Because
Okay,
it looks
okay.
like a fist.
Egg. Okay, definitely an egg. Egg.
A rare egg, a rattling egg, egg on the nest, and the nest on the leaf, and the leaf on the twig, and the twig on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in a bog, and a bog down in the valley, oh. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh.
What's next?
And on that egg there was a bird, a rare bird, a rattling bird, bird on the egg, and the egg in the nest, and the nest on the leaf, and the leaf on the twig, and the twig on the branch, and the branch in the tree in a bog, and a bog down in the valley, oh. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh.
This is getting too long for me. What's next?
Almost there. And on that bird there was a feather, a rare feather, a rattling feather, feather on the bird, and the bird on the egg, and the egg on the nest, and the nest on the leaf, and the leaf on the twig, and the twig on the branch, and the branch on the tree in a bog, and a bog down in the valley, oh. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh. Last verse. And then we're going to do it really fast.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And on that feather there was a flea.
Flea.
A tiny flea. A rare flea, a rattling flea. You ready?
Yeah, just about.
Flea on the feather, and the feather on the bird, and the bird on the egg, and the egg on the nest, and the nest on the leaf, and the leaf on the twig, and the twig on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in a bog, and a bog down in the valley.
Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley. Oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley. Oh. Way! Well done, everyone. Okay, I think what would be really fun, Jess, is if we go through the last verse really slowly for people like me who just can't do it, and go through all the actions, so then they'll know that, so they can just practice it at home and get it really good.
Okay.
Okay? So let's go through the very last verse, all of the actions together. Okay? So here we go.
So on the feather there was a flea. A rare flea. No, not like that. The flea is in there. It's showing how small the flea is. Okay.
Yeah.
A rare flea. The flea's in there. A rare flea. A rattling flea. Flea on the feather. Feather on the bird. Bird on the egg. Not with your finger. Egg. Egg on the nest. Nest on the leaf. Leaf on the twig. Twig on the branch. Branch on the tree, and the tree in the bog, and a bog down in the valley.
Fab. Okay, let's do it one last time.
From the top?
No, not from the top. From all the way through the last verse.
All the way through the last verse.
Okay. Medium speed.
Medium speed.
Medium speed. Okay. Here we go.
All right. With the chorus first.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley. Oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh. And on that feather there was a flea, a rare flea, a rattling flea. Flea on the feather, and the feather on the bird, and the bird on the egg, and the egg in the nest, and the nest on the leaf, and the leaf on the twig on the branch, and the branch on the tree, and the tree in the bog, and a bog down in the valley, oh. Oh, I Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh, a rare bog, a Ratlin Bog, bog down in the valley, oh.
Way, well done, everyone. Well done. So the first beatboxing part you're going to learn is very simply just doing the sound of a B on every beat of the bar. So we've got 4 beats in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on every beat, you are going to do that B sound. Okay, like this. B, 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 b. Nice and simple. So the second beatboxing part is nearly as simple as the first part, but on the ands, so in between each beat of the bar, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, you're going to do a T sound on every and, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and simple. So we're on to beatboxing part 3 now, okay? This is the most exciting part, but it is the most difficult. We've been using a B for a B sound. We've been using a T for a T sound. We're now going to be using a S, an S for the S sound. And if you think of a drum kit, it's the closing of the cymbals, the 2 hi-hat cymbals, okay? Go S, like that, okay? So, easiest way to get your head around this part is after beat 2 and after beat 4, that's when you do a S, okay? So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. So beatboxing part number 4 is the most exciting one because you've got the tune. Okay, we've been doing this beat underneath, and this is the tune for beatboxing part 4. It goes like this: do 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 do, and again do 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 do, with me. Do 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 do. That's the tune. One, two, three, four. But 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 do 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 So today's soloists have a musicals theme. We're firstly going to hear Sam Jeffries play the violin. He's going to play a piece from Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. We're then going to hear a piece played by Harry Skeffington on the piano. He's going to play the well-known Circle of Life from The Lion King. Enjoy, everyone. I hope you've all enjoyed your assembly today. And as always, if you've got any videos of you performing either the folk song, Bog Down in the Valley, or the beatbox challenge this week, then please send them in to me and Mr. Smith. Who knows, you might make it into a future music assembly. So have a good week, everyone, and keep doing lots of musical activities at home.